Greetings and salutations. Here are your 5 facts of the day about earthquakes. Why and how do they occur? 1. Earthquakes occur when seismic waves pass through the Earth's crust. 2. They are caused by movements in tectonic plates. 3. Earthquakes can also be caused by volcanic activity. 4. Human activities, such as building dams and filling reservoirs, can cause earthquakes. 5. Earthquakes occur when the rocks in the Earth's crust suddenly slip or break due to a release of built-up stress. So stay safe. And don't forget, facts are awesome.